Hey everybody, it's Will back again. This time I'm going over the three power walls that I have here. As you can see, there's not really room to mount them on the wall here in my garage, so I'll put them on the ground. But one thing you should keep in mind when you mount them on the ground, the way they wire it is you have all the wires for all three come in through that one piece of conduit, and it doesn't come out. What they do is they drill a big old hole right in the front of the power walls and back, and they run the wires through. So right above where that T is, they just put a big old hole right there. So if you want to mount them on the wall, you really don't have that option anymore. But I don't think I'm ever going to have enough room in here to put these on the wall. But just a little heads up for you guys in case you're thinking about putting them on the ground and then putting them on the wall later. That will not be an option. Now when you look inside here, you'll see, I guess you really can't see, but there's a fan a little further back there, and that's how these batteries keep the right temperature. And that's it for the power walls. I'll see you later in the next video when I go on the roof and show you the solar panels. Alright, later.